Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting webinar in the Akshwani Hæck. And thanks for attending a lot. I think this webinar will be very useful to gear up your oracles understanding. And we have the luck today of being backed by the Eternity Oracles Master. So thanks a lot for being here and sharing your wisdom about the Eternity Oracles. We really hope that after this session, you will be fully able to understand the Eternity Oracle's potential and work with them and build amazing decentralized applications with it. So I'm not going to steal any more time from the interesting thing today. So let's go on, please. Thanks a lot.
Hi, thank you, Alex, for the introduction. So today we will be speaking about the Oracle system in the Eternity blockchain. What will we do today? We'll look at the Oracle system from theoretic side. So how does it work? What can it do? And what are its limitations? And then I prepared 3 examples in code, how we can interact with the Oracle system and how you can use it in a production environment. So let's start. So what is the Oracle system actually? So the Oracle system is a native entity on the Eternity blockchain. So there's no additional smart contract needed. It's all integrated right into the blockchain protocol, as a lot of things in the Eternity blockchain, and also as you maybe have heard in some of the previous workshops and presentations in the hackathon so far. For our Oracle system, they are trusted oracles. So you trust in single results usually. But of course, the results and the transaction are all signed, so you know who they come from and if you want to trust that entity. And what can you do with oracles? Oracles can provide real-world data into the blockchain and into smart contracts, therefore. And oracles incentivize the provider, or the operator. So if there's a data provider, he or the system can earn money by providing this data to interested contracts on the Eternity blockchain, if somebody is willing to pay for it, of course. Or just use it to cover the costs of running the Oracle for all the transactions and so on. Next, let's skip to the Oracle system lifecycle. So what or how does the system work if you use it the way it's supposed to? What are the steps to take? And how does it work in general? So first of all, an Oracle operator, any account has to register an Oracle. Any account or any contract can then query that Oracle that has previously been registered on the blockchain. And then once there's a query, the operator responds to that query. So it's usually 3 steps from you have nothing to you have used all of the Oracle operations on Eternity blockchain. And of course, you don't have to register a new Oracle for each query and answer you have. You register an Oracle and then you can reuse it every time. For example, my Oracle is to provide the price of Eternity tokens from an exchange or the average price of all of the exchanges to smart contracts so they can make decisions based upon this. I register the Oracle once. Any contract or any account can query that data and I will respond, and then the account or the contract can reuse the data all the time. And last but not least, the operator can extend the lifetime, as oracles only have a limited lifetime in order to not spam the blockchain data. Let's look at the register, how to register an oracle in detail. So first off, any operator account can register an oracle, meaning operator has to be a person or a wallet at least that has access to an account, and that account will then be transformed to be an Oracle provider account. So this means only one Oracle per account is possible, as the Oracle address also equals the account address, but with a different prefix. You have seen the Aeternity account prefixes with AK for account as a prefix, and for oracles, they will get their own.
It seems that there is a little connectivity problem here with us. I think he will be back in seconds. Thank you.